Hey guys, what's up? I'm Mike Levitsky, and today we're going to keep going on the Tastify groups? Triplets. So all these things, if you go back and watch all the Tastify groups videos, are going to be short triplet ideas, short stickings, maybe 1 beat, 2 beat, 3 beat, that you can add together, use them in a groove situation, use them as part of a fill, use them as like a 1 beat fill or a 2 beat fill. The idea is not to give you a 4 beat fill that you're locked into, but to give you a bunch of ideas that eventually you can string together and make up a lot of your own. Today's sticking, it's going to be triplets or 16 note triplets, however you want to do it. I'll show you a few orchestrations and then you can use this however you want. Be sure to like this video, hit that thumbs up button, hit the thumbs up, like that. And hit the subscribe. Make sure you hit that little notification bell because YouTube's not always going to tell you when I put a new video out unless you hit that bell. And please share this video with someone. That helps me out. The more you like and share and comment, the more that other people will be exposed to this video as well. Leave me a comment down below and let me know, are these short stickings helpful? Are you finding ways to string them together? Are you finding your own orchestrations? Or do you want me to show you guys how to put these things together in longer fills? Let me know in the comments. Here we go for today's sticking. Today's sticking is sort of based off a 6-stroke roll. It's going to be right, left, right, right, left, kick. So a 6-stroke roll would be right, left, left, left. We're going to replace the last left with the kick drum. So you have right, left, kick. Step number 1. Be able to play that on the snare smoothly as triplets. Step 2, let me turn my snares on. You're going to put your right hand on the tom, the small tom, and the floor tom for every downbeat. So that sounds like this. Ah, I dropped my stick. Everybody does it. It's just if you can recover fast enough. Step number 3. You're going to take the right hand. You're going to hit the snare drum on every other downbeat. And for the rest of that, you're going to put it over on the floor tom. Left hand goes on the small tom. Same sticky. Right, left, kick. And then on the floor tom. Right, left, kick. It makes this really cool groove that sounds like this. Bonus, if you can put the hi-hat with the right hand. That's a little coordination for you. So that would sound like this. Oh, it's time. All right, last one. Here we go. Here's an orchestration. You're going to go small tom, all on the snare for the first beat. Right, left, kick. Second beat. You're going to accent the snare, put the left hand on the small tom, and then down to the floor tom. Right, left, left, kick. You're going to stay on the floor tom and the small tom. Right, left, kick. And then you're going to go snare back down to the floor tom with 2 kicks. Right, left, kick, crack. That sounds like this. One more time. And up the tempo. All right, guys, I hope that helps you out. See you in the next one. Booyah!